So this was the demo information. Last class I explained all this part. Right. Guys, first one, concentrate. This is a link suitable for you to see the Power BI content. My Power BI website content. And this is a link suitable to download the Power BI desktop. And this is a content suitable to download reports or desktop, cloud desktop. And this is Power BI cloud service. And this is Power BI developer. And this is Power BI learning. If you want to learn your own, then go to this URL. And this is the place you will find Power BI releases. This is the place you will find Power BI releases. So Power BI main website, Power BI desktop, Power BI reports or desktop, cloud service, Power BI developer, Power BI learning, Power BI releases. You can go to Microsoft Power Automate in this link, Power Apps in this link, Power Apps in this link. And I will start Microsoft Power BI slowly. Today I'll give you good understanding about Microsoft Power Automate and Power Apps. I'll give you some homework also this week. You please practice. No institution is explaining Power Automate and Power Apps, but I am explaining. In the demo level, anyway, you create a report. Demo level, you create a report.
Sir, ఇది మీరు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ పంపించారు కదా మెయిల్కి. హలో సార్, ఇప్పుడు దానికి ఎంత ర్యామ్ ఉంటే బెటర్ అంటారు సార్ మనకి?
ఆ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ అనే పక్కన పెట్టండి, నేను మీకు చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ మీకు. మనం ఆ కాంపోనెంట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు లేకపోతే మీకు ఒక 15-20 minutes మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ దాన్ని. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, పవర్ ఆటోమేట్ అండ్ పవర్ యాప్స్ ఇది ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి. ఇది డిస్కస్ చేశాక నేను మీరు సెటప్ ఎలా చేసుకోవాలని చెప్తాను. స్టే ట్యూన్ అండి. సో పవర్ ఆటోమేట్ అండ్ పవర్ యాప్స్. Even ask your friends whether they have knowledge on this. Now let me explain what is Power Automate, what is Power Apps.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Disturbance from your side, sir.
ఎటువంటి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుందండి?
Yes.
In the meantime, I will give you some understanding about Power Apps as well as Power Automate. This Sunday, tomorrow, you can practice these two. For some awareness, if I use the word Power Apps or Power Automate, you feel more flexibility. You feel more flexibility during understanding and working on the component. First, Power Automate. What is Power Automate? Which will automate the operations. Automate operations in the sense they run in their stipulated time. They run in their stipulated time. What is Microsoft Flow? Performing set of operations as a flow. We can run the flow. By manually triggering or scheduled way. Manually triggering or scheduled way. So this is about Power Automate. This is Microsoft Flow. Any questions in these two topics or 2 points?
సార్ రెండు ఒకటేనా సార్? మామూలుగా మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఫ్లో అనేది పవర్ ఆటోమేట్ ఒక పార్ట్ సార్, అంటే అట్లాంటి టైప్ సార్.
Power Automate is a part of Microsoft Flow. Right. How do we access Microsoft Flow? Flow.microsoft.com. What is required to work with Microsoft Flow? Microsoft account is required. Microsoft account is required. So I will provide you some credentials, you use it. Note: username vinaytech_6@vinaytechhouse.com. Password vinaytech@2014. Username and password. Guys, you use this for your practice. What I am going to do? Few examples I will do that. First one, send an email instantly. Manual trigger. This is the operation you need to do. First, go to flow.microsoft.com. All of you getting me? Flow.microsoft.com.
Yes, sir, we are audible.
Okay, good. Now, say this, what Microsoft is saying: take care of what is important. Automate the rest. If it is important, follow your own process. Otherwise, automate the remaining. Create automated workflows with Microsoft Power Automate. Automated workflows with Microsoft Power Automate. So this is a subset mechanism to schedule the flows. Flow means set of operations. I want to tell you one or two normal examples. real-time examples. A, send an email, load data. After successful load, send again an email, load data to Cube database, send an email. This set of operations you want to do a single area, then Microsoft Flow is suitable. Microsoft Flow. Next, you received or you want to receive a mobile message as soon as you got an important indication email from my manager. See this? From my manager, when I get an important indication email, I want a message. This can be automated. Next. So like this, you can take many operations, and I want to send an email instantly by triggering. Simple example. Open this tool, flow.microsoft.com. It will open like this. I already signed in. What I will do is I will sign off. Guys, sign in now.
Sir, separate we need to require a company ID for this, sir.
Yeah, compulsory required.
Only company ID.
Right.
I think
not company ID. Microsoft account is required.
Okay.
Maybe company ID or any ID.
Sir, if we are having Gmail account, we can get access now, sir, by creating an account in Microsoft.
Try register. It's asking now.
Okay.
Try free.
Okay.
But you can use for the time being my account details.
Yeah. Login, sir.
Oh, you already logged in parallelly. Wonderful. So sign in. Winnetex6. The same password which I mentioned, I'm adding. Click sign in. See, this is the way it will open. Now, this is create. Click create. This is automated cloud flow. Automated. I told you one example. When I receive an important indication email from a manager, I want a message on my mobile. It is an automated operation. As soon as I receive an important indication email, I want a message. So in that situation, I should go for it. But my concept is instant cloud flow. Immediately I want to run, it has to send. And you want to go for a scheduled cloud flow? Yes, you can go to scheduled cloud flow also. This is specified time loading, specified time sending email, specified time loading, specified time email sending. First, I will go to instant cloud flow. Mention the flow name, any name. Microsoft Flow underscore send email. Trigger a flow. Click create. Provide the name. Mention this. Click create. See, this will appear like this. Now create whatever the step you want to create. Create. This is the email indication. And if you go to all, what all operations you can perform available here. Here built-in applications, standard applications, premium applications, custom applications, my clipboard applications, multiple available. I go for mail. See, add an action for the email. We'll add it later. Got. Now click this one. Mail ID. A list of valid email addresses separated by a comma or semicolon. Good. I'll be sending an email to everyone. Guys, all of you provided your email ID yesterday. Anybody missing? Vishwanath, I feel you did not provide yesterday your email ID. Could you provide?
Yes, yesterday I didn't join.
No problem.
Yeah,
Could you please provide? Okay, I'll be sending email to all of you guys. Control C. I will mention your email IDs here. It's asking me comma or semicolon. I prefer semicolon here. Comma. Mention here. Subject. Email sent.
Hello.
Yes. Data loading begins. Now body, Arial, Arthoma, mention 14 pixel. Type here the content of the email. This is the indication of data loading for today. Small body. So send an email notification. Subject data loading begins. Body. Click save. Save the step. This is saving the step. Your flow is ready to go. We recommend you to test it. If you want to test it, see, I saved it. This is to save. This is to test in case whether it is sending email or not. This is to identify the errors and eliminate. Flow checker. Saving, flow checker, and testing. You can test in one more way also. Go to my flows. This flow is saved already. Go to my flows. So BI send email 12 seconds ago you created. After saving, you will find in this area, and this is the one. This is to run the flow. This is to modify the flow. And this is to create a new flow. I go for this run the flow. Click run. Run flow BI send email owner when I sign in. Email continue. Run flow owner run flow. Your flow run successfully started. To monitor it, and go to the flow runs page. Done. Successfully started. To monitor it, go to flow run page. Click on it. This is your flow. Click on this more commands. This is called ellipse. This is called ellipse. And these are all the additional commands available. And you want to see the history, go to run history. Remaining options normal. This is again to run, edit, share to other people, saving a copy, save as with a different name you want to save, send a copy to other people, run the see the run history. 53 milliseconds. 53 milliseconds. Succeeded. Succeeded, guys. Now you guys verify your email and let me know whether you received an email or not. Anybody? Contact from mobile?
Sir, received. Yeah, received, sir. Received.
Right. So Microsoft Flow sending an email.
Yeah, received by the name of Microsoft.
Perfect. Microsoft sent an email with the body and subject given, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Microsoft Apps and Power Automate we got them.
Beautiful. I will go to the next.
Sir, I didn't get the mail, sir.
100% you will receive. 1% received means the rest all people will receive.
నాకు కూడా రాలేదు సార్.
సార్ యాక్చువల్ గా దట్ బిఐఎస్ అండ్
This is the one I created. Start running. Continue. Run flow. Done.
Yes, sir. I got.
Now you go to run history and see that one time executed. 15 milliseconds. 11 seconds ago.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, we got.
Wonderful, guys. You received it. Now come to, thank you, Vishwanath. Now come to additional operation. I want to modify this. Go to my flows. This is flow, click edit. Click a new step. What you want to do? There are many operations. You can see this. Update a row. Create Teams meeting. Create a team. What all you want to do, you can do that. Now Power Apps you can call. Microsoft Forms you can call. SharePoint, OneDrive for business, Planner. These are the built-in components. This is standard. And this is Gmail sending. You can go and take one more. When a new email arrives, click on it. Label. I told you already. You need to put an action token. This is what last time I explained. When a manager receives an important indication email, I want to receive a message. That configuration is different. It's not required. So you can click on this ellipse and delete it. New step. Premium. About PDF tools. Amazon Redshift. Apache. We'll go to PDF. So what is this? Compress PDF preview. Convert Excel to PDF preview. Shall we go for it? Click on it. Connection name, client ID, but it should be created by Adobe organization. Client secret code, organization ID, account ID. These are all something different, but this will help you to convert your Excel into PDF. But this configuration is a little difficult. We'll see one small example again. Moment. Please keep mute, guys. You can type some interested one. I go for Power BI. Power. See, power of virtual machine. You want to power. Turn off your virtual machine also possible. There are many available. Power BI. There is something called a refresh a data set. You cannot do this example, but I will take refresh data set. I will take a workspace. 10 AM workspace I'm taking. This example you cannot practice, but watch it. Data refreshing in the Power BI. In this working area, there is a database available. I want to refresh this. Click save. Again, after refresh, I want to send an email. New step. Email. Send an email. List of email IDs again. Here, refresh completed. Refresh completed. Power BI dataset refresh completed. In case you guys want to practice the same. No worries in that. As I given the credentials, follow the same process to do that. Whatever is selected in the refresh dataset, follow the same. Email. This is okay. Save it. This body is required. Success. Ready, guys. Now go to My Flows. This is the one modified. Click Run. Click Continue.
Hello, Vinay.
Click Continue. Run flow. Done. Click Done. Success. Success. Now you want to see that, just go to this, click on it, run history. 33 seconds ago, this was successful, 20 milliseconds succeeded. Okay, now I want to show whether really happened or not. Refresh. I will take you Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. It will take you to the Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. See guys, I'm signing off. How do we access? app.powerbi.com. This is Vinaytech 6. Click on it. Password, sign in. Yes. It is signed in. And I move to workspace. This is 10 a.m. I refresh the works data set. This is called data set. And this is the data set I refresh. I'm going to click this. And settings. In this workspace, this is the data set. Data, where data available. I'm going to settings to see the refresh, whether refresh happened or not. Workspace, data set name, settings. Click on it, click settings. Refresh history. What it is saying me, observe. Today at 8:45 p.m. refresh completed. It took totally 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, the refresh completed. And if you guys observe your email, you might have received 2 emails. One is begin email, second one completed email. Could you confirm that you received 2 emails, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is called
Yes,
flow.
sir.
I will address your questions. Give me a moment. This is called flow. Set of operations you can perform in a single area. That is Microsoft Flow. You cannot do this in the Power BI level. A separate component. Do not confuse with this. All of you clear? So the flows which you created will be available in the My Flows. Just go, run it, modify it, whatever you want to do it, do it. You can perform like this any number of operations. And in my company, we are currently using this, recently started. And what we are doing is SSIS application calling to load data. Later, successful loading email we are sending. We in the sense system will send. And after that, the data loaded from data warehouse to cubes. Once this is completed, it is sending an email. Finally, Power BI data set refresh, the same thing whatever we did. And then sending email to users to see the report. Here we have set of operations and I'm running as a flow. And for these kind of operations, we go for Microsoft Flow. Microsoft Flow. Now, అందరికీ అర్థం కావాలి, క్లియర్గా వినండి, అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఏ ఒక్కరికి అర్థం కాకపోయినా నాకు అడగండి. ఇది తెలియకుండా వీటి మీద స్ట్రాంగ్గా నాలెడ్జ్ లేకుండా మీరు టూల్ నేర్చుకోవడం అనేది వేస్ట్. ముందు వీటిలో స్ట్రాంగ్ అవ్వండి, తర్వాత టూల్ నేర్చుకోండి. You have IRCTC data and you're operating IRCTC application, maybe .NET or Java, these kind of front-end coding languages we use to create front-end applications, and we use that. The data mostly stored in the databases. IRCTC data in the Oracle and BookMyShow data in SQL Server. But at the end of the day, IRCTC data will be loaded to one huge storage area. This is huge storage area at the end of the day. That is when night 11:30, if you guys closely observe, 11:30 to 12:20, no operations at IRCTC. Anyone observe?
Yes, sir.
Book tickets after 11:30. Do you know why? That is the time the regular daily data will be loaded to the warehouse, huge storage area. But how come retrieve from here and load it to this? There is a process. That process is extracting, transforming, loading process. ETL, extract, transform, load. So Informatica, your SSIS, your data stage, these kind of tools comes into the picture to bring the data, process the data, and load to the storage. So I talked about this one. I talked about this tool. So from daily systems, loading data into warehouse. Once the data properly loaded, I want to send an email. And after that, from this warehouse, required data, I want to load to Cube. As I told you yesterday, Cube contains required data. So required data loading. Once the required data loading completed, you will intimate the Power BI people. Sorry, you will go for Power BI data set and refresh from the Cube. Once the data set is refreshed, you can intimate the customers with an email stating the report is ready. Now they can click and see the fresh data. So multiple layers available in the BA project. All the layers I explained, and these all layers you can take in a single flow level, end-to-end operation, single flow level, end-to-end operation. Is that clear? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Beautiful.
sir. This
Now-
SSIS means this is SQL service integrated service, right, sir?
Yeah, SQL Server integration services.
Okay. Do we are we going to learn about this SSIS example in this?
No. We are not going to see this.
Okay, sir.
It's not required for you.
Okay, sir.
So this is good. So first task today, what I'm giving is, this is operation. Whatever I explain, the same thing you follow. I will copy it. Homework. When I take Power BI homework, Jan 30th. See this. Power Platform, read it and practice this. Send an email example, practice. This one, practice. By following video. Now, second operation. Second homework. Go to Play Store or App Store in your mobile or tab or any device. Install Power BI app There's an app called Power BI app. Second one, click on Power BI app, comma, Power BI cloud, second option. Enter the above username and password. That is called Power BI account. The same account which I have given here. This is Power BI account also. Enter the below, you type username and password, comma. Go to apps, comma. Browse apps. Browse apps. Apps and underline content. Underline content. Go to reports. Add annotations. Add annotations and send me an image to this WhatsApp number. This is my number. You can send it to me. I'll show you how to do that. Guys, don't feel panic. I'm assigning a very simple work to show you the beautiness of Power BI, to tell you the strength of Power BI. And you might feel like why SAR is not starting with SQL basics or some other thing. That is your psychological phenomena. Ignore the psychological phenomena and work however I'm explaining, however I'm practicing. I know when to take SQL or when to take other fundamentals. When you're learning a particular component, first you need to know the in and out, the beautiness of the component. Later, add on components, add on classes. So first, you are seeing the strength of Microsoft Power Platform. Second, you are seeing the strength of Power BI reporting. Already reports are available in the Power BI. But what I'm asking is, how come you will browse in the app level? How flexible do we have for Power BI app? Tableau not having any app facility. ClickView not having any app facility. There are many reporting tools in the market not having app facility. But Power BI, we have an app. You can browse the reports through the app. So how do you need to browse and how do you need to send it to me? I'm just asking to browse it. No practical, no coding, nothing. We install Power BI app similar to other apps and browse it. App space real-time usage. Go to the app, connect with your credentials, and then I'm expecting an image like this. Go to any report, annotation. This is to type something on this. This is to draw something on this. This is to show emoji. This is to show emoji like this. Type, draw, show emoji. Do all these operations on this and then share. This is sharing symbol. Share to me in my WhatsApp 9618 377 354. There are a set of steps actually. First, you need to sign in. Apps. Enter your password if it has. It will show you one app. That app will have reports. Go to the report, any report. Browse the report in the mobile tab and then see these options. Finally, go to annotate. Observe comment, pages, all available. Please observe each and everything. Click annotate and go to annotate and generate a picture like this and finally share to me. Generate a picture and share to me. This is second task for today. This is first task. Task 1. This is second task. Task 2. Or task 3. The generic task. Verify the below. A folder created, a folder access for daily videos. B, lab backup received. We have sent lab backup. C, Power BI desktop materials received. I have sent desktop materials received. Last one, download and keep Power BI softwares. I have given set of softwares, download and keep. Could you guys confirm? A folder access for daily videos. So you will receive all the videos in the Google Drive. Guys, I created a folder yesterday. This is a folder. So far we are having 3 videos. Today also I will add one more video. And you guys can go to your drive and you can click share with me. So mostly where will you find your drive? This is the one. This is your Gmail account. Click drive. Under share with me. You will get this folder, all the videos. Please remember the screen. Okay. Now I will add today's document also there itself. This is a running notes document. Upload file. Documents. It is added. Now you can go to this and practice. So I'm done for the day.